Prepare yourself for a peculiar delight that has captured the hearts of countless individuals worldwide, the mesmerizing sound of popping bubble wrap. This seemingly trivial activity has an unusual superpower. It can instantly uplift spirits and induce a sense of tranquility. But what's behind this peculiar phenomenon? Scientists have discovered that the pleasure derived from popping bubble wrap is rooted in several psychological and physiological mechanisms. Firstly, it provides a form of sensory stimulation and instant gratification. The satisfying pop sound acts as an auditory reward, triggering the release of dopamine, a neurotransmitter associated with pleasure and motivation. Moreover, the tactile experience of popping bubble wrap mimics the sensation of stress relief. When we squeeze and pop the bubbles, we engage in a form of haptic exploration. This type of sensory input has been shown to reduce tension, promote relaxation, and even alleviate anxiety. Additionally, the repetitive and mindless nature of popping bubble wrap can serve as a form of mindfulness meditation. It allows us to focus on the present moment, quietening our racing thoughts and promoting a sense of calm. So, next time you feel stressed or overwhelmed, reach for a sheet of bubble wrap and experience the oddly satisfying power of its popping prowess. It's a simple yet surprisingly effective way to decompress, boost your mood, and bring a touch of unexpected joy into your day.